So we are at the hostel for the ladies. Let's try and see if we can get somebody to help us record their room. Let's try our luck. What? Where are students? I don't think they're in this side. Let's go upstairs. So let's go and try to see if we can find a lady. First thing to know, it's a ladies hostel. There's always a big mirror on the entrance, and this is it. So let's look for the ladies. Let's see. So I have heard people talk in this door. Let me try. Yeah. Saseni. Nauliza kama anaweza chukua room yenu video.
Mbona unafanya nini gani? Ngojeni relax. Unafanya nini gani?
Mimi ni content creator wa YouTube. So today I was taking a hostel room tours for UN. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing well. Kesano here. My name is Debbie. Today I'm coming live from UN, University of Nairobi hostels, and these are hostels for the ladies. And I came here, I knew nobody, so I found one lady. She's called Rose. She has a good heart. Oh my God, you guys, they are good people. Still, they are good people. So I'm in her room right now, and I want to show you how this hostel looks like because it's amazing. I want you to see for yourself and judge. So from here we have doormats. I've never seen anything like this before. So we have something like a doormat, and we have the dustbin, and of course this large beautiful mirror over here with lighting. Yeah, and then we have the closet. They're big. Yeah. And then we have Rose over here.
Hello guys. Okay, welcome to my room.
Thank you.
Hey guys, you're all welcome anytime you feel like coming to UN. Just holler me and you'll be given a tour as well.
Thank you.
No worries.
So guys, come and show them. So this is the bed.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, this is the bed. This is the Rose's bed. Just for one person, eh? Looks good. Pink there. You can see she likes color pink. Even the curtain. Were you given this curtain or you bought it by yourself?
I bought it by myself.
Wow. Hey! So guys, this is the kitchen area. This is the kitchen area. You can see the foods. And we have this, the kettle, maybe to boil water. Yeah, food stuffs. This girl, she's so prepared, guys. I've never seen anybody who is prepared like this. And then we have on this side, this is the dressing area. All these are body lotions, body creams, wipes, tissues, even the air freshener. Oh my God, this girl, what? Anyways, that's how it looks. And then this side we have the reading area. It looks good. And then this is the speaker. This is the speaker.
Yeah, sure it is.
Yeah.
Entertainment once in a while.
Wow. And then this is the seat. And then this is the seat. You can sit here. Ebu Rose, come your seat. You show us. Show us how you do it.
Of course. My pleasure. So guys, this is why I do my studies most of the time. Whenever I'm having my personal readings and whenever I'm having just some time to meditate on myself and all that. So we're having some lights over here, so it makes it easier whenever there's darkness, definitely. Yeah, so yeah, I think I'm just all set.
Wow. Hey guys, I love everything about this hostel. I want you to comment on the comment section and let me get to know what do you think about this. We forgot to show them the carpet. The carpet is color pink. This girl, she likes color pink so much, you can tell. She even has the carpet in the hostel. Are you a Luo?
I'm a Luo. Oh my god, of course. And pink for the ladies. Cheers, guys.
I knew she must be a Luo because
oh my god,
this lifestyle is not for anybody. It's not for anybody. Oh. Anyways, guys, what can you tell people?
Okay, fine. What I'd say to anyone out there, the people who are already joining the university, it is not all that bad. You can make it. Like, this is one room, and you can see how much you like put much effort into it. It's comfortable, so you don't have to you don't have to be shabby because you're living in a one room. It can look as beautiful as this, and it makes you feel comfortable. So it doesn't have to be, we are ladies, we love comfort, we love things that makes us happy. Yeah. And whenever you're reading, you need a place where you're comfortable, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, and you can see we also have some entertainment gadgets. You don't have to be, serious all the time. It's normally saying that all work makes Jack a dull boy, or makes Rose a dull girl.
Yeah.
So yeah, welcome to University of Nairobi, and the new students joining us at the University of Nairobi. Yeah. Feel free to come for some tutorials. I'll gladly show you around.
Okay, thank you. So, Rose, I had some questions I wanted to ask you. So, how much do you pay for this room?
Okay, at the moment you're paying 40,000 shillings, and that is for one academic year. That is for semester 1 and semester 2.
Okay.
Yes.
So 2020.
Yes, 2020.
Okay. So another question.
Okay.
Do you cook?
No, we don't. We don't do cooking here. Sorry.
Why?
I heard, this is just some rumor, I heard there were cooking initially, but then there were some incidents of fire. So there were casualties, and that made the cooking in the hostels to be bad.
Okay. And do you stay alone?
Of course I stay alone.
You don't have maybe a roommate?
Okay, it's a partitioned room. This is like 2 room, like no, what is it? This
partitioned,
is this is partitioned. So this is my sector, and then there's another roommate of mine on the other side. Okay. And welcome to Victoria.
Your roommate?
Yes.
Okay. So Rose,
yes,
do they allow boys in this hostel?
Okay, initially they did. We had like a 10-10 rule. Boys will come in at 10 a.m. and leave at 10 p.m. But since the pandemic, the corona pandemic, we had the online classes. So I think they decided to remove the rule. Okay. So now if you want to meet someone who is of the opposite gender, you do it outside.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. So guys, you've heard from Rose, and I think this is the end of this video. So in case you like the video, make sure you give the video a like. Don't forget to comment and share with your friends. Yeah. So subscribe. Yeah. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye. See you another time.